Myntri Sorkar ubakmi yakatanat PHE Marcus and Marak hakalay potrik yayong ulaong baka Sorkar kala Shim ki sienjam ki ban slem na kabentaban pynkhie biang kiwa bat kiwa duit hakajala hakaba ka jing penjer ngam ki klaw ki batam ka jing penne pensa ki jaka badan kilong ki benta ba kongsan haba penpaw halor ki sienjam ki bayade bat ka jing pynkhie biang ki telong Marcus ulaong katu kat ni ginagi project ladap ya syakman Henry ulaong baka jing pynkhie biang kiwa bat kiwa duit kamde satya ka sienjam ka batang shipor Henry kan de ka sienjam ka banyai beteng bat ka banne slem Myntri ulaong baka tanan kadang penbet ya karukam trekam jongka bat ka sienjam catch the rain jongka Sorkar pedeng hakaba ngila thongru ya bon ba ki ding bat penjar ngami ki klaw ki batam hakikat tu kat ni ki bentang ila shnai ki jaka penlang kenang ban penne ya ka slam namar nak lang ka Sorkar India kala banjur halor ka jingdon kam ban penlang ki slam ki baham ulaong haba batai benia ya ka ni ka benta Marcus ulaong ban kem ya uslap ubaham ngila thawi ki jaka penlang da ka batti egi tliu hakendau bat kani kan nyarap namar habaslam ka kan tuit baik sya kani ka jaka penlang bat nang ne kan kesam syapo kendo bat kan sedang ya kalat ban pynkhie imbiang.
It's already on the job. Some of the projects are already on the job. But as you are aware that rejuvenation of the streams, rivers is not a short-term measures. So we are going for a long-term measures. In certain cases, we are planting lots of trees, afforestations are being done. And in some of the cases, we are creating trenches, to retain the water, rainwater, because the government of India also stresses for the catch the rain where it falls. So to catch the rain where it falls, we are creating trenches also. That is also, helping a lot, because the moment the rains come in, it goes inside the trenches and it, soaks in the soil inside. So that's how rejuvenation part starts. Those projects which are undergoing, they are also doing the laying of pipes, everything. Other than the projects, other than the ongoing projects, those completed projects are also to be monitored. Exact number is not with me right now, but there are projects. But that's what people are saying. People are, those bloggers are also going and saying, oh, JJM is not successful. I'm telling each and every one of them, I would request them as well. We will not leave aside all those projects like that. We will make sure that functionality is there, and for that matter, we will be requesting all the stakeholders to, cooperate with the government to make it functional and for the sustainability of the projects.